Hello, my friends. Welcome back. My name is Michelle, and thank you for joining me today. So, I have recently managed to get through opening a huge amount of destashed paintings that I had purchased, and I ended up with 12 of the Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle toolkits. And I know that one of the big things with these toolkits is that everyone is in search of the cover minders, the washi tape, and hopefully the pink, I've lost the word, tweezers. So I thought we would open these together and see what we get. There is a fly in my house that is being very annoying at the moment. And while we do that, I thought I would just talk a little bit about, life, the universe, and everything. So, bear with me while I get these open. I talked to my sister today. This month would have been my mom's birthday if she were still with us. And so, we talked a little bit about my dad and getting him through this and, what our kids were doing and how everybody's going. All right, so our cover minder is a little elephant popsicle. He's adorable. Okay. We have a couple of plastic placers, a tray with a stopper, and our washi tape is this purple pink squiggly gradient. Right? I think this is really pretty. I know I've got some canvases this will look really good on. Okay. So we will just place all of this over here. Let's put all of this back in the bag and we can deal with it at a later date. So we talked about that. We're thinking about potentially spending Christmas in Branson, trying to get the whole family together there. So that will be so much fun if we're able to make that happen. There we go. All right, let's see what we have here. Ooh, okay. So with this one, we've got a green pen, if I could get it out. But what makes me super excited is look at this floral washi. Okay, it's super pretty. Right? But that's not what I'm most excited about. What I am most excited about is, speaking of my mom, her favorite flower was a yellow rose. And look what we got. Okay. So that makes me exceptionally happy. Both of these last two kits must have come from round paintings because so far we have no tweezers, and certainly not pink ones. Right? Okay. But yeah, I would love to take the kids to Branson, and take in the shows and get to spend some quality time, that way, and let the kids, hang out with their cousins and play with them. I think that would be amazing. And I am doing my best not to peek in. And I don't know when you went away. So I don't know what I will have to refilm. But we have some really pretty purple floral washi. Okay? And this time we got a little gray flower. Okay? A little gray flower. Still no tweezers. So our first 3 kits must have come from round canvases. So other than that, I'm gonna make sure I go see my dad within the next week or so before school starts back. So that, all right, another blue pin. Oh, some really cute floral pinks and greens. Okay, pinks and greens. And this time we got an absolutely adorable little bunny with a little strawberry. And go see him before school starts back. So I can spend some quality time with him. My older kids are working, and oh my goodness, my middle kiddo takes driver's ed tomorrow. Pray for me if that's your thing, because man, am I gonna need it. But she turned 16 in September, so it's time, right? She's really responsible. She's such an easygoing kid. But my goodness, driver's ed is just, it's so much to take in, you know. All right, let's see. Still no tweezers, guys. Still none. Okay, we did get a really pretty teal pen this time. We got some red patterned washi tape. Okay, so maybe I can use that on some of my canvases for Radiant and Red, right? Yeah, she's really, really responsible and actually really pretty good driver. It's just that whole, you know, being old enough to have a kid on the road kind of thing that is getting to me. And on this one, we got this really cute pink flower. Okay. So still no tweezers, still no square kits. With just the tool kits, I don't actually know how to tell the difference if they came from round or square kits. So I am trying really hard to get into these without peeking. There we go. Oh, I guess I could look at the back. All right, let's see. We have a blue pen and black tweezers. Okay. So with this one, ooh, we got some more of that purple gradient washi tape. So if I use that on a bigger canvas, I've got 2 rolls. So I know that I will be able to make it all the way around on a bigger canvas. And for this one, we got a cute little flower in bloom. So absolutely adorable. But yeah, it's just the idea of having a kiddo old enough to be, you know, driving. that is problematic in my mind. School starts back for us mid-August. Obviously I go back, before the kiddos do, but this will be my second year at our high school here. I started my career at the high school level, and I taught high school for 6 or 7 years before I actually moved towns because I got married and my husband had to live closer to the town that he was in. Okay, so we have a pretty purple pen. Oh, we've got some red flowers on our washi. Okay. And we have a little green seashell. Okay, pretty. And so when I moved, I got a job offer from the middle school for the town that I was moving to, because my kindergarten principal, so the man who was the principal when I was 5 years old, was the principal at that middle school. Did not know that when I sent in my resume or anything like that. When they sent me the list of the interviewers, obviously I was like, that name. And so I questioned whether or not, it could be the same person. And it was. Oh, I think I'm holding this one. Yeah, they packaged this one this direction. Ooh, okay, so with this one, we got this amazingly sparkly cover minder. It's button sized. It's got this huge glitter on it. I love this. I love these colors. And this gold metallic wave kind of washi. I've got a couple of mermaid canvases that this would look amazing on. So that's exciting. So anyway, obviously I recognize the name, but it did not occur to me that it would be the same person, given that, I was 30-ish years and an entire state difference. But I got there and he looked at my resume and he was like, oh, your hometown. And I was like, it is you. And so we talked for a few minutes and caught up, and he offered me a job. Ooh, okay, so I immediately feel tweezers. So let's see what we've got. The black ones. Okay. And so, yeah, he immediately, ooh, I think it is not the same, but it is pretty close to one of our other ones. I love these pinks and greens together. I think, yes, I have. I have somehow managed to accidentally turn on my little vacuum. If you don't have one of these, when you have a drill spill, these things are awesome. It holds a charge for forever. and it makes cleaning up the drills super easy. I keep this just in my little drawer in my desk, and whenever I need it, I just grab it. And while we were talking, I was hearing something, and I'm like, and I thought it was my ice maker, and I was like, why does it sound like that? And realized it was the vacuum. So I don't know how or what I pushed. We have a little purple rose, which purple was also one of my mom's favorite colors, so this makes me happy. And anyway, he gave me a position that he taught at a middle school, and I had the option of going to the high school or a couple of other schools, and I decided that I wanted to work for him because I thought that was too neat that we had run into each other. And so I spent 8 years at his middle school before my husband changed positions again and we changed towns again. Let's see. Ooh, we have a pretty green pen. And I think I'm doing this upside down. Oh, neither the washi nor the, oh, I see the tips of tweezers. What color? Oh, okay. We got black again. So our cover minder stuck to it. We got a pink macaroon, right? And we've got this really, really pretty purple flower washi. Okay. So there's that. So then when we moved again, I called the school district in this area and applied for, you know, a couple of the positions they had open. And the middle schools, the high school, and the intermediate schools, because I'm 612 certified, and intermediate schools have 6th graders in them, interviewed me, and I ended up going to one of the intermediate schools, even though that was the lowest age range I could go to, because the principal that was doing the interviewing for that middle school was super energetic, really she blew me away with how enthusiastic she was about her job and what she was doing and all of that. So I really wanted to work for her, so I did. But my kids got older and they started at the high school. And so I decided that my littlest one is still in elementary, and she goes to a private school because she has some needs that make it difficult. This one does not want to let me in. For her to go to, ooh, I can see tweezer tips. All right, let's see. I got the pink ones. Guys, everybody wants these, and I snagged a pair of the pink ones. I'm so excited. And that make it hard for her to go to a regular elementary. Ooh, a black pen. I haven't seen one of these before. Okay. All right, so let's see. We got some purple, green, pink heart washi. I am 100% going to save this and do it for Valentine's Day. I think this is gorgeous. Right? Look at those pretty colors. There we go. Now we're focused. Look at the colors. So, and then, aw, we got a dolphin. And it's all glittery. This, this just makes me happy. Like, I don't know if it's really supposed to make me that happy. And I don't even use cover minders. You know, I use release paper, but they're cute, right? They're cute. All right, and then last but not least, we have one more toolkit. So let's see what we get in here. So I went back to the high school and I absolutely love it. My kids this year were the first group of kids that I had in 6th grade when we moved here. So it was so much fun to get to see them again and how much they had matured and changed. And oh my gosh, they got so tall. Okay, ooh, we have another teal pen. Teal's one of my favorite colors, by the way. And so that just was ecstatic. All right, let's see. Okay, and for our last washi, we got some gorgeous black and gray kind of gradient with pink flowers on it. I love this, right? And we got the absolute cutest little bunny. Oh my gosh. I think we did a fabulous job with our destashed toolkits. So I will finish this up by saying that my oldest kiddo is headed off for college in the fall. And that just sounds insane to me, right? Super, super proud of all of them. But that is what we've got for tonight. I will move our washi stash out here where you can see it. Okay, we got one pink tweezer set and 3 black tweezers. Oh, and you can hear the cover minders trying to attach to things. We got a purple rose, a pink flower. Oh, I feel like I still need to move this back a little bit. Here, maybe if I turn these this way. Purple flower, pink flower. What I am pretty certain is a pink flower. Ooh, hey, magnets, stop. Stop magneting, okay? The cutest little bunny. Okay. And they're gonna do magnety things. Little dolphin, okay? Little teal dolphin. A green seashell. My super, super glittery button. My mom's yellow rose. A elephant popsicle, who's there you go. The adorable bunny with a strawberry. A gray rose. And that was a little scary. And a pink macaroon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, all the YouTubey things. I'm putting out videos almost every day. I'm trying really hard to grow this channel. And I know that I promised last week that I would explain the origin of the channel during the whip and chat. But I got pretty emotional and ended up scrapping that video. I will try again as soon as I think that I can get through that story without breaking down in the middle of it, right? All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Have the day that you deserve, and I will see you on the flip side.